Hey guys, Kyle Kelly and Paul Spickett. Time to tell you about our favorite part of the year.
September, Captain Ron's in-water boat sales event. September 23rd through 25th, we're gonna have aggressive pricing on in-stock boats. We'll have locked pricing under 2022 pricing for 2023 model year boats, aggressive financing terms, and a host of other incentives.
We're gonna have our manufacturers in town to come and tell us what's the latest and greatest out there.
Absolutely.
And again, guys, we do have some beautiful boats in stock, like these beautiful LXs, Benningtons, 25 Qs, and a host of Regals from 22 feet all the way up to 36 feet
The
to show.
36 will be there in water. We'll have our brand rep, Lyle Spangler, visiting from Regal. Pick his brain, pick out your colors, options, order your boat today, get it ready for next year. Best pricing you're ever gonna get, locked pricing, and limited availability.
And that's why we're telling everyone now, if you're considering a boat for next season, all of our manufacturers are locking pricing and prioritizing the retail customer. So if you're wanting to go boating in the boat of your dreams for spring, now is the best time of the season to get the best deal. Come visit us, Captain Ron's, Paul, myself, the whole team will be down there at Kellysport. We'd love the opportunity to have you part of the Kellysport family.
Thank you all, we'll see you there.